I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous sheet pan chicken sausage for meal prep for your weekly lunch. We're going to start with some andouille chicken sausage. We've got about 5 links here. We're going to cut those up into about 1/2 inch wide slices. Since I'm planning to cook this in the pizza oven, I'm going to use Blackstone's aluminum pizza trays as my sheet pan. So I'm just going to put that sausage on the sheet pan. Then I'm going to get a large sweet potato and get that peeled. And then I'm going to cut that up into 1/2 inch size chunks. Add those to my sheet pan. Then I've got some tricolor bell peppers here. I'm going to use about 1/2 of each pepper. I want a little bit of each color just so that I can get some nice color in my dish here. I'm going to cut those up into small 1/2 inch chunks and add those to my sheet pan as well. Next, I'm going to take some broccoli and I'm going to cut this up into some bite-sized chunks and then add those to the sheet pan. And at this point, I'm going to transfer everything into a large bowl. This is the perfect point for us to start preheating our pizza oven. Then I'm going to add about 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to crush those up and dice them up real small and add those to my bowl. Then I'm going to add a hefty amount of olive oil to the bowl, along with some salt and some pepper. And then I'm going to throw in a hefty amount of my Blackstone Tuscan herb seasoning to give it a little bit of a bite. I'm going to mix that all up real good in my bowl. Now we want this to be spread out evenly on our trays, so I'm going to need about 2 of those pizza trays to spread all this out on. Once we have it all spread out, I'm going to put my first pizza tray into the preheated oven, and I'm going to let that roast for about 20 minutes. We're going to need to take it out of the pizza oven about halfway through and mix it up with some tongs in order to make sure everything gets evenly cooked. We're going to put that right back in the pizza oven and let it finish cooking. In the meantime, I'm going to get my meal prep dishes ready. This is enough for 5 days worth of meal prep lunches. I'm going to divvy out about 1/2 cup of brown rice into each one of these dishes. Then once my chicken sausage and veggie mixture is done, I'm going to pull it out and divide it evenly among those 5 dishes, just setting it right there on top of the rice. This is a delicious dish. I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know if you do in the comments, and we'll see you next time.